Hi guys, it's your boy Liam. So I'm gonna show you today how to do a helicopter. How high a helicopter really is. So if you're still like a 5-year-old kid, or if you still don't know, let's go to trench. Hey, that was a big boom. But why are they? Okay, guys, I must spawn a helicopter. So, wait, let's spawn this. Okay, okay, guys. I don't really know how either is it this way. Why does this keep on happening? So this video will be really quick. Let's go forward.
Next, I have some good news. I'd like to announce the new captain of the Rebel High cheerleading squad, Zoe Miller. What? Me? No! No way! I'm the captain! No, you're out. You're off the cheer squad.
Trench, guys, and let me show you how to do it. Okay, guys. I have. Okay, so this is how it's done. Spawn a helicopter. Okay. Okay, that is how high a helicopter can go, guys. So I hope you love that video because yeah. So this is how. Remember, this is how a helicopter goes. So bye. I will drop this helicopter. Wait, I'm gonna. Yep.